So if you don't want to buy a big expensive smoker, this is cold hot smoke generator. So here's the manual, here's everything it comes with. I gotta put it together, but I love what it comes with, this smoking guide, and it's a magnet, so you could stick it on your fridge or anywhere. Has all the temperatures and all that, so it's pretty nice. Here's all the parts. It comes with the tools, a little screwdriver. So I'm excited to put this together and show you guys how it works. So I put my smoker together. You have the little ashtrays here. You got the air pump here. You got the hose that releases the smoke, and all your tools, the brush to clean it, and your power cord. And like I mentioned before, this chart. Today we're going to be doing pork, poultry, and seafood. So we're going to smoke all three of those. So let's go ahead and try this out. Just so you know, the smoke pellets go in the big one. This is the smaller one. Make sure that lid's on there. So when you take this out, this pushes it down. So let's go ahead and load this up with the pellets. When you ignite the pellets, there's a little hole, a little vent there, and on the other side as well. So you can light it from either side. Here's the pump. So it's recommended when you first turn it on, have it on high for at least 2 minutes so the air could go through and the pellets could catch fire faster. So let's go ahead and light it up. So I went and lit my pellets on both sides. So it's on both ends. I have the air on high. And this is the barbecue I'm using because it's not pinching the line. And look at that, the smoke's coming out. So let's let it turn on really good. Then I'll go ahead and put my meat in here and start smoking it. So highly recommend this. The little pellets are on. And look how much smoke it's throwing out. Whole lot of smoke. Ooh-wee.